In today's video, I am going to teach you how to speed up downloads in Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you are using the Chrome browser window where you normally browse the internet. Once Chrome is open, move your cursor to the address bar at the top of the browser. Click inside the address bar so the current text is highlighted or ready to be replaced. Now type chrome://flags into the address bar. It should appear as chrome//flags. After you have typed it correctly, press Enter on your keyboard. When the flags page loads, you may see a warning message explaining that these features are experimental. Near the top of the flags page, you should see a search box. Click inside the search box at the top of the page. In the search box, type parallel downloading. Once you see parallel downloading on the screen, look to the right side of that option. There should be a drop-down menu next to it. By default, this drop-down is usually set to default. Click the drop-down menu next to parallel downloading. A small list of options should appear. From that list, choose Enabled. After you select Enabled, Chrome will usually show a relaunch button near the bottom of the page. When you are ready, click the relaunch button. Chrome will close briefly, then reopen automatically. After it restarts, the parallel downloading feature should be enabled. That covers everything you need to know.